Hey guys, so today we're moving this strawberry that's next to this eggplant in ground. We have some borage going on, but we have a lot of borage in this area, so we will be chopping off one of the borage plants like so. A thicky boy. And then look at this. Borage, but we'll reuse it in the compost and as well as the other pots. And I guess we'll have to get rid of this one too for the sun, since strawberries need a lot of sun. So this borage is gone, and then we shall plant the strawberry right here. There's already a lot of worms, and the soil is very rich. You see worm? Yeah, so I just gotta make a hole here, and then we will plant the strawberries. Okay, so we have the strawberries out the pot, and this is a hot berry strawberry, as can be seen by the pink flowers. I have the hole ready. Basically insert them in there, but before we do so, I will add all natural vegetable fertilizer. It should give the strawberries a little boost, and then we shall be very careful, and then we just cover up with sand, water them up, and see how they do in this new area. Before, all of this was covered in this borage right here, but I think since this place receives a lot of sun, it'll be ideal for these new strawberries to grow here.